like to show you how to write multi-line code in Appsmith by using immediately invoked function expressions or IIFEs in Appsmith. So right here on the page, we have a button. And let's say, for example, you want to do multiple things whenever this button is clicked. Say, for example, you want to show a modal and show an alert when the button is clicked. How do you do that? You can do that using IIFEs or immediately invoked function expression. So to show you how to do that, I am going to enable JavaScript on the buttons on click action. And what we want to do is to actually write some JavaScript. So the syntax for an IIFE may look a bit tricky, but after some time, I'm sure you get used to it. So to write an IIFE, you would need to write something that looks like this. And that is how you write an IIFE. It looks a bit weird. The IIFE is just this part, by the way. It looks a bit weird, but after some time, I'm sure you get used to it. All right, so now let's go on to actually do something inside of this IIFE. So what we want to do is to do a couple of things. We want to show a modal, and then let's pass in the name of the modal. This is going to be modal 1. We also want to show an alert, for example. So let's say show alert. And then a text. This is going to be hello. And right here, we have been able to write some multi-line JavaScript. All right, so when this button is clicked, what we're saying right here is that we want to do a bunch of things, and that is why we are using the IIFE. We want to be able to open a modal, which is modal 1 in this case, and we want to show an alert saying hello. And because this is inside an IIFE, we can go on to do so many other things we would like by writing more lines of JavaScript right here. But that's all we'll be doing for now. Let's test this to see if this works. So I'm going to click on the button, and we can see that we have the alert message showing up right here, and we also have the modal open. We have been able to do this by writing an immediately invoked function expression in JavaScript whenever this button is clicked on. So this is how you can write an IIFE in JavaScript. I'll be leaving a reference in the description below, just in case you'd love to learn more. All right, that'll be all for now. If you like this video, please leave a like, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.